Hi guys, it's Casey again, and I wanted to share with you something that happened recently with my very reliable, very dependable, very well running Mini Cooper. This Mini's been running great. I have 0 engine lights, and just recently something very terrible happened that I wanted to quickly tell you about. Hopefully it'll be helpful. For the first time ever, I went to start the Mini and I got the dreaded turn key and nothing happens. This is exactly how it went and what I heard. No engine noise, no nothing. No engine lights, all lights on dash come on, absolutely 0. Terrifying. Doesn't look like a battery issue. All my lights are perfect. Is it the starter? Why isn't the engine turning? I've got plenty of power. Then a good friend asked me a question. Is it in park? It's an automatic, but I'll double check. I came back to the Mini. I made double sure it's in park. Boom. Car started right up. Automatics have to be 100% in park. I put it in drive. I get home, I put it lightly in park. I put it lightly. Now let's try it. Nothing. Make sure it's in park. Was not an expensive starter, had nothing to do with the key fob, had nothing to do with the battery. It simply had to be put firmly in park. Hey guys, I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe, like, or comment so I can keep making videos.